To Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoking Mirrors from the 16th to the 20th of June 2025 on Monday. Zulethu's wound alarms pechune. Thandiswa fears Phakathi will keep investigating. Jason criticizes Phakathi. Kaisa admits sabotaging Fanyana's relationship and regret the kiss on Tuesday. Pechune is caught by mother disposing of the sheets. Mamiki overcomes insecurities with a nail design breakthrough. Fanyana and Kaisa kiss despite resisting. Jason's visit to convict failed to uncover any answers on Wednesday. Jason accuses Zulethu of helping Mpendulo escape. Kaisa and Fanyana are relieved their parents only knows about the contraceptives. Mamiki and Sipho get drunk, resulting in a saloon robbery on Thursday. Jason pressures Zulethu. Phakathi questions him and orders him to stay. Philile confronts Martha. Sipho and Mamiki deals with the robbery and glued hands, but Martha arrives to collect money with the Shambok on Friday. Phakathi still can't arrest Zulethu, but Jason puts pressure on him. Philile and Martha finally agree on something. Martha threatened to get Sipho. Martha threatened to get Sipho if he doesn't pay his debt in full. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you.